Hello friends, my name is Doipan Datta and I am an intern in the Sparks Foundation. I am doing for my internship on data science and business analytics. Now this is my analysis on this IRIS dataset which is made on decision tree. So in the first thing I have installed all the libraries which I will be using here. Then here I have imported the dataset. It's a read underscore CSV. Here this I have created because I am doing this in my own environment. See here, I have created my own environment here. Here activate car price. This is actually see here the base was this is the basic environment which is set by default, but I have activated car price. This was another environment which I made few days back. Then this is the path in which my dataset was there, and after that I have installed these libraries, and later I just typed here Jupyter Notebook, and then the Jupyter Notebook opened. See here, so that's why I did not have to follow any kind of path or something. Just uploaded this. Now checking the NA values, I checked the NA values and all of them are 0. Now this ID is actually unnecessary. So what I did, I eliminated them. See, I eliminated the ID by using the drop function and access is equal to 1. After that I had checked the data types. Then I also had a insight in the about the data set. After that I have counted the categorical values like Versicolor, Virginica, Setosa. So it's a 50-50-50. That means it's a balanced data set. But the thing is that I had to shuffle a little bit, because see, in the data set also the first 50 is Setosa, then the second 50 is Virginica, then the third 50 is Versicolor. So if by chance during training, if only Setosa or if Virginica gets selected and not the Versicolor, then while we will implement this same model on the training dataset, it will generate an error. So after that I have shuffled it using sample function. See here, I have shuffled everything. Now I had to find the box plot. Now I just what I did, to remove these outliers, I turned the value of these outliers into upper whiskers and this value of the outlier into the lower whiskers. See here, see, this is the formula which I used to this is the formula which I used to turn the value of the outliers equal to the upper or the lower whisker, and then the outliers are eliminated. Now here I have splitted the data into training and testing. See here, I have taken 30% of the total data as a training data set. As a testing data set, and 70% as a training data set. Now here I have made the decision tree, and this is showing the decision tree, actually the basic logic line diagram of the decision tree. This is the actual diagram. After that, this is making prediction, is showing an accuracy score of 0.91, that is 90%, and this is the confusion matrix I have created here, and this is the deployment package. See, I just need to show that See, if I give this details of the sepal length, petal length, everything, see, if I type here 1.1, 1.3, 2.1, what I am getting is, see, it's a versicolor. So this is the final deployment of my project. So thank you everyone. If you like the video, please comment on the comment section. That's all. Thank you.